Okay, boys and girls, we're going to do a quick video in this pair deck. And the purpose of this video is just to show you how to solve exponential and equation and a logarithmic equation. If you haven't noticed by now, to solve an equation in Desmos, you just put the left side of the equation in y1, and then you put the right side of the equation in y2, and then using your finger you can just find that point of intersection. So that's what we're going to do today. So our left part of this equation is going to go into Desmos. So this is 5 times 18, so we're going to do 5 times, it helps to put y equals. So we're going to do y equals 5 times 18. And to get to the exponent, we're going to press a to the b. And then 6x. And we press enter to go to the next one. And then we're going to put y equals 26. Okay? So the green one is the exponential function. We can see that it's increasing very quickly. And we don't see y equals 26. So I'm going to have to bring this down to see y equals 26. Now that point of intersection is not clearly shown. So what we have to do is kind of open it up to zoom in on that intersection. And so it's intersecting where the green and the purple intersect together. That's our answer. So we're going to click on that. And the calculator Desmos gives us a nice pretty answer, 0.0951. And you can generally just put 2 places behind the decimal. I'm fine with that. All right, let's go to the next one. Now to do E, we haven't really talked about E, but E is a special number like pi. And to find E on the calculator, we have to do go to ABC and simply type E. And the calculator recognizes that it's 2.718. It's an irrational number like pi. All right, so to get that to a to the x, we go back to the numerical part, and we're going to hit a to the b. So we have e to the x minus 1. To put all of that in the, let me see if I can do it without, nope, we're going to have to put it in parentheses. So we have to do parentheses x minus 1 to make sure it's all raised to the power, and then minus 5. And then in the next side, we're just going to put 5. And again, we're not seeing the graph. I should have paid more attention to how it was growing. So now we see e to the x minus 1 minus 5 is here, and we want to just simplify. Oh, I forgot to do y equals. Here we go. Okay. So you might have to play around with it to see the point of intersection. So to see that answer, once again, the black is the exponential function, and y equals 5 is the blue graph. And we just click it, and it gives us a nice pretty answer, 3.303. Okay? And that's pretty much how you do that. I'm going to let you pause the video and do the next two. And hopefully when you come back, I'll have an answer. Probably not. Okay, welcome back. Let's just do it. I'm going to do this one with you. We're going to have y equals 9 raised to the x plus 10. What did I forget? I forgot parentheses. Parentheses, x plus 10. And then I move it over to do the plus 3. And then my next equation, I just press enter, and I get my next equation, which is 81. Okay, so y equals 81, and again, I have to do y equals 81. It's going to be way up there. So I see the green one, that's my exponential. Now to get to 81, I'm going to have to just move my graph up till I get to 81, and we see that point of intersection. So it intersects at negative 0.017. Notice I'm only putting the x value. I don't worry about the y value. Okay, so the next one is y equals 11. See if I get this right. Parenthesis x minus 8. You can only use x's and y's on this. Otherwise, it thinks the variable is something you want to change. So you always want to just use x and y. And then we have y equals 54. And since we were already there, it's not that bad. But again, we have to zoom out. I'm just using my fingers on the iPad. We have to zoom out to find that point of intersection, which is 9.7. Okay? So that's how we solve exponential equations. Now, how do we solve log equations? Basically the same thing. We're going to put the left side in y1, the right side in y2. But it's how to get the log that may be a little confusing. So we want to do negative 10 plus. Now, how do I write log base 11? Here we have to go to function. And under miscellaneous function, notice there are two different logs. And you want log A. So you can give it a base. And in this case, your base is 3. And then we have n plus x plus 3. And then on the second one, we're going to do y equals negative 10. And we don't see it because we're too far up. If you want to go to your home screen, you can just press home there and it go back to just a regular screen. And again, to see that point of intersection, I'm going to zoom out just a little bit. And I see that it's intersecting at negative 2. Okay? Let's do another one just to give you practice in doing that. So we're going to go to negative 2. Once again, we'll go to functions. Oh, what am I doing? I don't know. Let's do it again. Y equals negative 2 functions log. And it's log base 5, 7x. And then we go to the second one and we enter 2. I keep forgetting y equals 2. You should have that memorized by when you get a chance to do these. And again, I can't really see where it's intersected, so I'm going to have to zoom out. And I see that it's intersecting at 0.3. Okay? And that's pretty much it. So let's just go ahead and finish this up. We have log, and this is just regular log, so this will be easy to type in. We have just log minus x. I'm assuming that's log of negative x. And then close parenthesis plus 2. And it's important that you close the parenthesis there, and that's going to equal to 4. Nope. Y equals 4. Okay? And let's see if we can't find that. You notice where you are on there. I was at 1.2, so 4 is going to be up here. And when is that going to intersect? That's going to take forever to intersect because this is a very slow growing function. When will that intersect? Will it ever intersect? It doesn't look like it's ever going to intersect. So for this one, we would say there's no solution to this, because I can't find the point of intersection. Okay? All right, and then the last one, we get y is equal to negative 6 log base 3 . and then x minus 3. And then that's going to equal to negative y equals, I got it that time, negative 24. Okay, so to find this, remember we can hit the home button to go home. We see that graph. We know it's going to intersect somewhere over 24. So y equals negative 24. Sorry, we have to go in the other direction. And that one looks like it's going to intersect and at 84, negative 24. So this is equal to 84. Okay, that's how you do this on the calculator. And we'll do some problems tomorrow. Have a great afternoon.